So how do you remove the center cap on these fuel wheels? There are actually two of these Allens around here that are real Allen bolts. If you want to see which ones they are, you can remove the little center cap out of the middle. This is nice because you can adjust this so that it's facing up so it's not always all cockeyed on your wheel. And when you look inside of here, if you just wiggle the center cap, you can see which ones are loose and which ones are held tight. So on this one, if I wiggle it, that one's not touching. I can also see that on the outside. Same thing here, that one's not touching anything. This one doesn't move, and that one doesn't move. So it's usually two kind of across from each other. These are real Allen's bolts that are threaded into the wheel. So you remove that. And then you remove that second one. When you get the second one out, the center cap comes off. You can see most of those are fake and two of them are real. So that's how the center caps are held on your fuel wheels. And to put it back in, you're just gonna tighten those two back up, pop the center cap back in, and that's how you do it.